Hi, Carol here, artist of Only Trees, and I'm packing up a tree today, and I thought I would show you what my process is in doing that. This is a pink dogwood. It will surround a glass orb, and okay, so let's go from here. Stay tuned. So this is the pink dogwood that will have an orb sitting in here. Um, this is the glass orb that I create my root systems for. It's a 3-inch glass orb. And when I create my root systems, this is what I use. And they're put into the root system to sit underneath this particular tree. So what I'm going to do to pack this tree up for a customer, first thing is I have a lot of space here, so I want to fill that space with all kinds of different things. But the one thing I often start out with is a cardboard tube. And after the cardboard tube is cut into the width that I need, I fill it with newspaper and tape, and I put that into the space where eventually that orb will be placed. Then the next thing I do is add paper around the inside here. And I've already created a cardboard cradle that I'll be putting that into. So it goes right inside here. I'll bring this back over so you can get a better look. And then using tape, I'm going to close it all inward, just like that. Now you can see I still have a lot of overhang here, and in shipping I just want to make sure I can secure all of that. So the next step, now you can use newspaper, that's probably the easiest. What I have available is a newspaper weight paper. It's just long, nothing on it, and I am just going to roll this. And this overhang area that I have here, I'm just going to surround that area just to give it a little bit more support. I don't have much overhang on this side, so I'm not going to put as much paper there, and then tape it down, secure it all in, so there's not going to be a whole lot of movement. Now there's less overhang, and all of these branches that are in between here, they have spacers, and I want to try so that when the customer is opening this up, that all of these spaces are still there to keep the shape of the tree. So this is where my quick sort comes in, so I can and this stuff is great. I mean, it stops you from licking your tongue trying to separate small pieces of paper. So I put that on, and then I use pieces of paper, and I just crumble them up like this, kind of flat, and I start putting that in between the branches. So the next part of this video, I'm going to do a time lapse sticking paper into the branches. Yeah, it really sounds like a lot of fun, but all right, let's see what happens. So you can see what I'm trying to do. I am putting the paper in between the branches. Well, there you go. It only took what? 45 seconds? Yeah. It's just another process that I do while I'm creating my trees, packing them up securely and having the full confidence that that pink dogwood tree is going to get to where it needs to be and to be in the shape that it needs to be for that customer just to get it out of the box, unpack the papers in between the branches, and be able to display it for years to enjoy for years and years to come. Okay, guys, I hope you're having an awesome, awesome day, and we'll talk soon.